online since I last vlogged, and it's 10 PM now, and we're about to go out. This is the latest we've gone out since the pandemic, but it's my birthday tomorrow, and Adriana has something special arranged, and she's extremely proud of the fact that I don't know what it is. It's a PDF document. Just sit back, relax, show me your mirror while you are reading this. Oh, damn! I forgot I'm wearing a mask. So I can't see what's the name. The RuMa? The RuMa?
Not RuMa.
Rina? The RuMa. Okay. The RuMa. Ha! I found out what it is. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. We have 30 more seconds before midnight. Will we get to our room in time?
Yes.
You literally have 15 seconds.
Come.
Oh my god. Wow. Is it time? Couple more seconds left. Couple more seconds left. Wow! It's midnight!
Happy birthday!
Wow! So perfect the timing! Is that sweets? Oh, this balloon is so big!
Yes, it's 24 inches.
I think I've ever received a balloon that big before. It's a birthday cake. I was asking you if there was going to be cake.
To give you.
What? Gold flakes?
Yes.
Hello everyone. It's 2 AM right now and we have a massive problem. The balloons are all over the place and one of them got stuck there. We don't know how to switch off any of the ceiling fans. So there's one there, there's one there, another balloon's gonna get stuck there. I tried pressing all the buttons and I ended up switching off all the lights even when Adriana was inside the toilet by herself. And I will not admit defeat by calling the room service just to ask how to switch off the fan. And our last hope is the room orientation. Entering your room minibar. Fan switch!
Is it the first one?
Operate the knob located under the reading lamp or by the bedside.
Here.
Oh my god. Okay, stop. Okay, now
Rescue the balloon.
hold this.
Careful.
No, it's plastic.
Yeah,
Oh no.
you have to...
I don't want to post this online anymore for them to see.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh.
It's just spinning.
Okay, mystery solved. All the balloons are coming to life. Good night. It's 12:30 and I'm about to go get food because the hotel is actually next to my office and there's a really good ayam kunyit place. Anyway, it's 12:30 right now and I cannot believe I slept. I mean, half the day is gone. And I think it's because of the blackout blinds. They work too well to the point that I could not wake up at all. I have never felt more like a tourist walking in KL because I'm in casual wear, slippers down there, and I'm just walking around KL, just like a tourist. There it is, just across the road, KL City Walk. So that was about a 10-minute walk. I'm quite out of breath because I'm trying to walk quite fast. I'm very hungry. And yeah, I'll see you guys once we are back in the room. Oh no, what happened to the balloons? Anyway, look at this. If only you can smell it. So that's with rice, and that's just one whole portion of, actually 2 portions of extra chicken. I have a surprise delivery of Let me show it to you. Butter chicken, 3 packets of it, and some cheesecake. And there's no sender, but there's only one person who asked how long I'm staying at this hotel, and I think it's Tim and Miko. So thank you guys for sending this over. They have not admitted it. If it's not them, I probably won't put this in the video. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this before our big dinner tonight. Wow, we did not realize it was raining at all. Like, we could not hear it from the bedroom at all. That's how well the bedroom is sealed from the outside noise. So, okay, really loud thunder. Anyway, we're at the cocktail and canapé session. Obviously, we're having the mocktails instead. And it's actually just next to the pool. The pool is all the way ahead. The funny thing is we've got dinner, a 6-course meal at 7:30, and we ordered 2 drinks and 3 dishes. This is the orange drink and that is the lychee drink. And we have moved the dinner to 8 PM, so we got 30 minutes now.
Strawberry cheesecake, coconut sundae ice cream.
Okay.
This is mango, this two coconut ice cream.
So this is all that we can afford to eat. Everything was delicious and I'm so sad to leave food behind, but we have to make space for our big dinner. Okay, let's go. Oh, so the atas restaurant is literally just above the reception. We saw this staircase downstairs yesterday. Okay, let's quickly go through the menu. We've got a starter of blue tiger prawns, momotaro tomato, cured ocean trout, Lawas Highlands red rice. It's local fusion, so you see some really cool combinations. And for the main course, we are both having the Wagyu rum. And to end, we have the Pahang single origin chocolate. Oops. Excited?
You're supposed to ask yourself that, right? This dinner is for you.
So everything is edible.
No, under of the leaf you cannot.
Oh,
if
okay,
Not,
don't.
if not, Prince Court Medical Centre is the answer.
Oh, okay. Dentist lah.
So,
Thank you. So this is the next dish. It's a tomato vegetarian dish and it looks quite refreshing. Okay, this is the cured ocean trout. All the dishes are coming quite fast compared to any of the other course meals that we've had before. Thank you. 1 second, let me get the name of this dish. I can't remember. It is the Lawas Highlands red rice with gill mushroom, cured egg yolk, wild pepper. The smell is so good. So this is our Wagyu rum with kailan and caramelized sambal butter. It's quite interesting. So this is our final dish, the Pahang single origin chocolate. It's big.
today, someone that's
It's another one.
birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sweet 16.
I've got a surprise cake. So now we're gonna enjoy the finishing to my 6th and 7th course meal. Thank you. Some of the pictures. The more interesting looking ones, the walking. This is all taken by our waiter, Bell. He does, I think, wedding photography as a side gig, so it was the best decision to ask him to help take some pictures. Good morning. We are now heading to breakfast. So the breakfast downstairs is made out of this small a la carte menu, which is good on its own, but we also have a buffet there that we'll check out in a bit. We have to wear a glove when we're going to the buffet. Okay, this is the cold cuts, pepperoni, smoked salmon, salami, turkey ham, sauces, fruits, muesli, walnut, ooh, Brazil nuts, all sorts of nuts. The other side, yeah, we have juices, milk, cereal. Anything for you? And oh, some pastry. There's more at the back. Porridge, your baked beans, scrambled egg, sausage. Hey, is this a nasi lemak? Yeah, nasi lemak, I think. Noodles and bread. Yeah, there's fine. Thank you. Oh my god. As soon as we came back from the buffet, all the food we ordered arrived. We're gonna pop the egg. It's so beautiful. We are done with breakfast. It's 10 a.m. and hopefully at 11, we're gonna go to the gym. Hello guys, check out my funky top. I got a matching top with Adriana. Anyway, it's 1 p.m. now. We are heading for our 3-course lunch downstairs. We did not go to the gym just now, we fell asleep, can you believe it? We are having lunch at the same place we had our breakfast and dinner yesterday. The tea time is the one that's going to be downstairs later at the library. Wait, show me your clothes. So this is the set lunch. We have a choice of starters, mains, with a duck add-on if you wanted to go for that, and the dessert. They're starting us off with a bread platter. Look at the butter. Looks like the sorbet we had yesterday. This butter, I mean I cut it already, but it's not like normal butter. It is foamy and very light. So this is our starter. It's similar to the tomato dish yesterday. Wow. Thank you. Okay. Thanks. Look at the size of your duck. It's massive. Our dessert is here and this is the end of our course. This is jackfruit, vanilla ice cream and chocolate. We are done with our meal, just enjoying some extra bread, tea and coffee, and it was really, really nice. We're going to the toilet.
It's funny.
We're now going for our tea time. So this is our afternoon tea menu. Quite a lot of items, and we have a bigger selection of tea and coffee on the right side. Just enough space. Look at the layers inside this. I don't know what it is. I think it's the white peach entremet. So far we've only just eaten a bit, but the food is so good. Thank you.
Happy birthday to Ariff. Birthday to you.
Thank you. Last cake, there's no more, right? This is the last cake, which was not a successful surprise. Because I asked her if I can go to the toilet and she was like, you just sit lah. Which is a clear giveaway something is coming. This is as much as we can finish the food. It's really good, it's just that we are so full from all the eating. She finally woke up. She's been sleeping non-stop. And now we are gonna go to the gym and then go back. Alright. What's the access? Oh, here. Oh, it's pool. Okay, go in. Ooh, we have the gym to ourselves. Oh, damn nice, the center mirror. Wow. It's not too cold. These machines look like they've never been used before. Okay, time to work out. Okay, we are done with our workout, and also that is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Istri, thank you for the birthday stay. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.